Hello friends, today is again Thursday, the 29th November 2018. Let's begin. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sammasambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sammasambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato sammasambuddhassa. Today we will see the summary of the immaterial sphere consciousnesses. So with the stanza 25 we will finish the immaterial sphere consciousnesses, and we will, from the next lecture, from the next stanza, we will move to the supramundane consciousness. So let's finish now. Let's first read the stanza. So the stanza goes like this: Alambanappabedena Chatudha arupa manasam punya bhaga kriya beda puna dvadasada titam. So this is the one. So let me again read. Alambanappabedena Chatudha manasam punya bhaga kriya beda puna dvadasada titam. Dvadasada titam. So let's see the meaning. So as we saw, let's see the alambana. What is alambana? Alambana is the object. We have seen two objects here. Let us see this object here. So the two objects were the direct objects, which is the alambitabba is the object that is apprehended, that is held on to, and adhikamitabba means the object that is left out or transcended. So here the alam, so the basic word is the alambana. Alambana is the object which the mind will apprehend, will hold on to, which is the alambana. So alampanappa bedena. Bedena is the differentiation or the distinction with regard to alampanappa means with regard to the object. Is chatud is the four types of arupa manasam. Manasam is actually the chittas. The other form of chitta is called the manasam. So the which we saw before. So the according to the object, so it is 4. So as we can see here in the according to the object, so it is 4. For example, here each object, each chitta will hold on to one object. For example, here the first immaterial sphere jhana chitta holds on to concept of space. Second immaterial sphere jhana chitta holds on to concept of infinite space. And third immaterial jhana chitta holds on to the concept of non-existence or aloofness or separateness. And the fourth immaterial sphere jhana chitta takes as its object the concept of nothingness. So according to object, if we see, there are 4 actually. So and then the there are 4 and then punya bhaga kriya beda means punya is the wholesome, bhaga is the resultant, kriya is the functional, beda is the differentiation, Puna is again. Puna means again. Is Dwadasa. Dwadasa is Dwa is 2. Dasa is 10, 12. Dwadasa da. Titam. Titam is classification. Is all. By classifying, what we have is 12 when we classify it as the consciousness as the wholesome resultant and kriya, but when we do it as the object, we can see when it is object it is only 4, because there are only 4 objects here. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 when we take it as object. But when we take it as wholesome, resultant and functional, we have 12 in number. That's what is given there. So with this we have come to the resultant, and there is the end of it. But before moving on, we will also see the let me show you something about the the two objects that we saw. So the two objects is the alambitabba and adhikamitabba. Alambitabba is the object that is held on to, and the object that is surpassed or thrown away is called as the adhikamitabba, which are related to the alambana or the object. So this is something which I am clarifying, and so let's end this lecture. So Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Let all beings, irrespective of any differences, equally get the share of all the good karmas that I have committed from the beginning of my existence till the end of my existence in the future. And I beg all the beings to please forgive me for any wrongs that I might have done to them from the very beginning of my existence to the end of it in the future. And I request all the Buddhas, Pachika Buddhas and Arahants to please forgive me for any wrong karmas that I might have done to them. And I also beg all the Buddhas, Pachika Buddhas and Arahants to please bless me to attain Nibbana as soon as possible. Thank you.